How to find profile on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone and you have to open the app in your Android. You can see this is the home page will appear in front of you and you will able to see the different videos. Now we are moving to your profile. You can see different options will appear here at the bottom. There is a home option, friends option, plus mark, inbox and the profile option. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see at the last there is a profile option. Click on the profile option. You can see click on the edit profile, and before moving edit profile you can see your whole profile like this. Your following page, your watch history, your uploaded videos, your liked videos, your reposted videos, different will appear here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.